Doctors from the All India Institute of Medical Sciences as well as those associated with the Federation of All India Medical Association have decided to join the stir by resident doctors who have been protesting over a month against the delay in recruitment of new doctors. On Monday, the protesting doctors were allegedly manhandled by the police. In a letter to the Union Health Minister, AIIMS doctors said that they would withdraw from all non-emergency work on Wednesday if no concrete steps are taken. Doctors from AIIMS had so far stayed away from the protests. It's high time for the government to release a report of what has been done till date and what are the government's plans moving forward for expediting NEET PG counselling, the letter said. On Tuesday, emergency use authorization approval was given to Covovax and Corbevax COVID-19 vaccines along with the antiviral drug Molnupiravir in a single day. Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia informed about the development on Twitter and wrote, "All these approvals will further strengthen the global fight against the pandemic." In a thread, he wrote, Corbevax vaccine is India's first indigenously developed RBD protein subunit vaccine against COVID-19, made by Hyderabad-based firm Biological E. The nanoparticle vaccine Covovax will be manufactured by Pune-based firm Serum Institute of India. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal held a high-level review meeting today amid the rising number of COVID-19 cases in the national capital after it witnessed the largest single-day cases spike on Monday in the last 6 months. NDTV reports that the implementation of the Graded Response Action Plan is likely to be the top agenda of the meeting. Delhi reported the highest single-day spike in COVID-19 cases in 6 months. A declaration of yellow alert is likely. It will entail several restrictions and shutdowns of places that were opened up post the waning of the second COVID-19 wave last summer. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates the completed section of the Kanpur Metro Rail project as he visits the city in pole-bound Uttar Pradesh today. Following the inauguration of the project, the Prime Minister is also expected to inspect the metro rail and take a ride from the IIT metro station to Geeta Nagar. At least 80 students fell sick after consuming midday meals in which a dead lizard was found in Karnataka. The incident took place in the Haveri district of the state. According to school authorities, the children recovered following treatment and were discharged from the hospital. The district administration has directed authorities to take action against the school for negligence.